tres. Vamos. Good night, Julio. What are you doing?
Good evening, Saul. I am advancing my test for the week, so I can study better for my exam.
You are very resourceful and skilled. The will help you overcome your challenge when you becomes engineer.
You are very right. Citing ingenuity and technical go and hand to be successful. An industrial engineer.
The right tell me where you are would like to work.
I would like to work in an industrial company where I can help improve process.
Do you have a specific company in mind?
My short-term goal is to work in a mining company like the Marcobre. And what are your goals?
I would like to work, finish study, and work in Hyundai.
I see. It is an international company where the best are always there.
I prepare daily. I am always anticipate possible events and my action that will help me continue drawing.
That's great. Good night, Saul.
Good night, Julio.